guys, Sahur here. Welcome back to my channel. I know you're probably surprised seeing me twice in the same year. It's a pretty big deal, but once you're over that shock, we can move into the topic of today's video, which is a couple of lip swatches. I have these lipsticks here from Jill Stuart that I'm going to be swatching for you today. So I'm just going to go ahead and try them all on, and why don't you leave me a comment down below letting me know which one was your favorite. Also, before I get into the swatches, a quick little review of the lipsticks. They are lightweight, they have kind of buildable coverage on the lips, and they have this kind of metallic shimmery finish. It's quite pretty actually, you'll see once I get into it. They wear very well. So the lipstick packaging actually has a little mirror at the top, very cute. Okay, let's get into it.
Once felt I'm done with the defense, drove back and climbed over your fence, had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders, I'm closed off, that's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Riding on the dizzying heights. Like nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all wide-eyed. You and I floated on every night.
Alright guys, that's it. So those are all the colors I had to swatch for you today. Leave me a comment down below letting me know which one was your favorite. They were all very pinkish, which I liked. I feel like I don't wear a lot of pink lips very often, so nice change. Bye.